let's go down to shipping and delivery. Right here, you'll see your shipping profile. Click into it here. And here you'll find your shipping zones. I would recommend for most stores just offering free shipping. So in my case, I'll go ahead and just delete the express shipping option. And then for my standard shipping, I'll edit this. Click on Edit Shipping option. I'll change the name to Free Shipping. I'll go down and find the Offer Free Shipping button and make sure this is turned on. And for the order amount, I'll just set this to $10. If you want, you can change the rate type here. You can change the price if you want to, but since it's going to be free anyways, it doesn't really matter. And then you can also change the transit time as well. I'll set this to 5 to 8 business days. Then in the top right, click on Done. And below this, you'll have your international shipping zones. I would go through here and configure the exact shipping settings for international shipping and depending on what you want to offer. But if you don't want to offer any international shipping, you can go to the top right here, click on these 3 dots, and just delete this zone entirely. So for my store, I'm just offering free shipping within the United States, which is where I'll operate my business. With that done, go to the top and click on Save. And if you haven't started setting up your store just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description.